Good morning everybody, welcome back to Doncaster Motorcycles. It's Friday and time for the workshop walk around. So, before we do see what's in the workshop, we've got a lovely, we've got a gentleman who is high up in the rankings, or he might even own Spinks, I'm not too sure. So, Spinks Builder Merchants, let's flip this camera around and have a butcher's at this. So, are you in the building trade or starting a project at home? Spinks Builders Merchants in Doncaster have the pleasure in offering all Doncaster Motorcycles customers trade prices and free delivery on your first order. Quote DMC001 when you call to activate your discount. Call Andy today on 01302 554 238. So there you go. So if you're wanting anything done, bloody camera. If you're wanting anything done at home or if you're a builder, there we go. Little help for you there if you're a customer of DMC or you're just watching this video. Right, so let's have a walk outside. Boom, boom, boom. Triple press on the old camera roll. On the camera roll. Say good morning to everybody passing by and going to run me over. Right, so Sarah's is here. That is for, Sarah's dropped in for a service and MOT. Is that now? John's XJR 1300 is done. It's had a basic service and I believe it's had an MOT as well. MOT Central this morning. This Kawasaki, if I remember rightly, the gent has gone on holiday and left that with us for, can you see why? Can you see why? I'll not tell you why, can anybody tell me? Right, help me out, do my job. I don't really know what's wrong with that tyre. Right, okay, that's in for a full service, an MOT as well. Obviously you know about this one, it keeps, we haven't got round to that yet. We're busy with all the regular bookings, everybody who's actually booked in the diary. So everything that's waiting in the wings at the moment is having a longer wait than usual. We normally can get them done in a couple of weeks. So the R6, I believe, is still waiting for something. This BMW's had a service and the rear tyre. Dave's Fireblade here is all ready and done and ready for collection. Size blade, the brake system, we're still waiting on I believe there's a disc, or I think there's one disc on back order. One disc. Right, so the Triumph is waiting for the fork bushes. We've got another motor delivery look. And what we got over here, Chief Sweeper's tooling up. Making all my tools nice and clean. Look at this, I tell you what, he's got OCD just like his dad. Oh! I've heard that on a video somewhere. I think it's one that Hayden's been watching. Give up. No? No, we're not having that? I don't know. No. Right, okay. So yeah, Foxes is still waiting. I did manage to get the carbs rebuilt on Wednesday evening. So that is another step forward. Unfortunately, like I say, they're waiting in the queue jobs. I'm waiting a bit longer than usual. So yeah, Triple Eight still waiting. Our Tiger it's waiting for us. We're going to get that back and up and ready and prepped and ready for sale. The WR, that's still, I think there's a clutch switch arrived for that. So that might be make a bit of progress soon. There's an 87 fuel issue. Fireblade. That, yeah, it was full service and a cam chain tensioner that we was waiting for, I believe somewhere in this bag, delivered from Honda, is exactly what I need. That's pretty much it, apart from what's booked in today. So, what time now? 8:15, everybody's going to lock up soon, so I'm going to get a coffee. And then, in fact, I've got all these parts to book as well. Tell you what, you won't want my life, it's hard work. I tell you, there's loads to do. Right, so we've got plenty's coming in. I think we've got a full diary again today. I believe Sarah's is one of them. What else is there that's here already? No, we're just waiting on everybody to turn up for today's work, and there's plenty of MOTs. So I'll put this down, get a coffee, and crack on with some work. So thanks for watching it, like underneath, tell all your friends, share it on the thing, and don't forget, if you're a builder, or you want some work doing at home, Spinks' discount job. That's a really good little sort of extra help out for anybody doing any... if you're spending some money at home, you can save a few quid and spend some more on your bike. It's Friday, you know what that means? Hey! Woo!